Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your custom HTML email template on SendGrid. So, this is our custom HTML email template, and SendGrid doesn't have a visual editor to make this template editable, but it have a code editor and a preview box, and there is a easy approach to edit the template in that editor. I'm showing you how to edit this thing in your SendGrid account. So let's upload it. Go to your SendGrid design library and then go to create email design and then click on code editor. The code editor is for the custom coded HTML email templates. We have to paste the code here to see the preview here. So how to get the code from the HTML file? You can simply open it on Firefox or Google Chrome. Don't use Safari or any other browser that manipulates the code. So I am using the Firefox for now. Going to Firefox, right click on the blank space and click on the view page source and then press Ctrl A and Ctrl C respectively, or if you are on a Mac, press Command A and Command C respectively to copy the code. Then go here and delete all the existing code and paste your code here. Okay, so this is our template. If you are not okay with the HTML, basic HTML knowledge, then it will be hard to find this text inside the code. So there is an easy approach that SendGrid offers. When you click a single item, that will take you to the code position. Like if I click on this area, then it takes me to that code. So if you want to make changes to it, simply add your new text here. You see the texts are here. These texts are here. So simply you can add your new text and you see the text is changed. Same thing for this area. You can change your text from here as well. Your new title, and you see the code is changed. And now how to change the images. This is the most important part, as changing the text is easy, but changing the image is a little bit tricky. So I'm showing you how to do that. Just keep it open on your other window and go to your images. I kept it on another window and go to your images. Here you need to drag and drop your new images to replace these things. Replace the other images like this. So let's get an image. I'm just finding an image, a random image. Okay, I am using this random image on this template. How to do this? Upload your image here. Click on the image and copy image URL. And now go to the image that you want to change. Suppose I want to change this image. Click on this image and you have to find SRC, that means image source. You will see that image source is here. You have to update the source. The source is here to here. That means you have to replace everything that is under the inverted commas. So I am pasting my new code that I just copied from there, and the image is here. Say if you want to undo this change, click on this undo, and let's try changing this one. You can simply go here and change it from here. Okay, so that's how you need to change the images and texts. You can simply click on these things and update your texts. TXTS. Sorry, TXTS here, and that's it. If you want to make any structural change, that means you want to keep these things out, then that will require a little HTML experience. Basically, this part is responsible for this one, but you have to know basic HTML to make such structural edits. But with this tutorial, you can simply change out images, change out the text, and change the links. I am showing you how to change the link. Click on the image that you want to change the link, and find the SIF hyperreference. This is the link. You need to change it from here. What link you will paste here now will be activated for this image. Okay, so I think it's enough to make you understand the basic editing approach of HTML email template on SendGrid. In another video, I will show you how to code a HTML template from scratch, and I will give other email tutorials and email tips on my next videos. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel to get you updated with every new videos. That's it for today. Thank you and have a great day.